What if anytime you wanted, you could create $1,000 cash injection in your business on demand? Not with a big launch, not with a complicated funnel, but with the simple, soul aligned offer that your dream clients are excited to say yes to. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own 1K offer, which is basically a pocket strategy that you can use anytime that you want to boost your income and help your clients get fast, meaningful results. If you've ever wished that you could generate cash flow quickly without burning out or feeling salesy and actually making a real difference for your clients in the process, this video is for you. Now, I want to be honest. Coaching isn't always a straight line. Anybody that ever tells you that, run for the hills. You can literally have months where you're like on fire, signing up your dream clients, feeling unstoppable. And then out of nowhere, there's these seasons where your energy just dips, your priorities shift, or maybe that you just need to just step back and breathe. And if you're anything like me, you didn't start your business to hustle 24/7 or force yourself to show up when your soul is calling you to rest. So that's why I created my own 1K offer, because I wanted a way to honor my energy and to still keep my business flowing even when I couldn't be on all the time, because it's exhausting being on all the time. Like, there have been stretches, like, for example, last summer where I needed to just live, right? To recharge and not to like be glued to my computer or my laptop or working with clients or anything like that. And you know what? That's not lazy. That's leadership. That's being honest with yourself. That's honoring the seasons and the cycles of your life and your business. Because let's be real, bills don't pause, right? So what you're seeing now on this slide are the 4 seasons that all of us as coaches and entrepreneurs and experts, we deal with, right? This is like the real deal here. So the first one here is fire. This is when we feel our high energy, our passion, and we're productive, when we're on fire, when we're signing up clients and taking bold action. And then there's the cloud, where we just want to rest. We just want to take a deep breath and reflect, right, on the things that are working or not working in our business. And the downtime. This is where you honor your need for stillness and recovery. And then there's the leaf. This represents growth, learning, transformation, nurturing relationships, and developing new skills. And then there's the sun. And this represents momentum, clarity, and progress. When everything's clicking and you're building on your efforts. That's when my 1K offer became my secret weapon. You see, it's a pocket strategy that I can use whenever I need a cash injection without burning myself out or betraying my own rhythms, right? And it's also a beautiful way for your clients, the right clients, maybe those who aren't ready for your premium offer just yet, but still feel called to work with you, to step into your world and to actually get a real win. This is not about filling a gap. It's about creating a business that supports your energy and your truth and your freedom while still serving your clients at the highest level. So a 1K offer isn't just, a price point. It's an invitation. Okay, so I want you to think about it as an invitation. An invitation to invite people into your world to learn how you can help them get results. So what's the purpose of my 1K offer and why did I actually create it? Well, I have a little confession to make. The truth is, there are way more coaches out there struggling than there are coaches who are truly making, 10, 20, 30, 50,000, $100,000 months. And that's why I'm passionate about this 1K pocket strategy. You see, the way that I think about it is this. If I can take the ones who are struggling to sign up premium clients or the ones that are actually making under $10,000 a month, I can bring them into my world, help them get the results so that they can make the money to work with me in my program, Energetically Sold. Now, I'm not here to chase people who already have it all figured out and who are crushing it with their own strategies right now. I want to serve the coaches who are in the messy middle. You know, the ones that were meant for more, but just haven't found their flow yet. Think of it like this. You wouldn't want to help a bodybuilder build muscle when they're already stacked, would you? Right? Like, it doesn't make sense. You want to help the person who's ready for a real transformation. And that's what this 1K offer is all about. It's designed for the coach who's ready for the breakthrough, a quick win, a confidence boost, and proof that they can actually do this. And when you get them to win, my Energetically Sold program becomes the obvious next step for even deeper growth and support with me. However, just because the successful coach is making consistent income and they're crushing their monthly goals, you know, they're making their $20,000, $50,000, $100,000 months, doesn't mean that they have low months, right? So if you're watching this and you're making over $10,000 a month in your coaching business, you can still benefit from learning this pocket strategy. In fact, you should. So my question to you is this: what's a quick win that you can help people with? Let's walk through each of these ingredients so that you can see that they all work together to create a truly magnetic 1K offer. Let's start with focus. What you have to understand is that most powerful 1K offers aren't doing everything for everyone. So for example, my 1K offer is only focused on one thing, and that is helping people create their own 1K offer. That's it, right? I'm not teaching you how to build a coaching business. You know, I'm not teaching you how to overhaul your brand or master a specific social media platform or anything like that. I have one goal, and that is to help you create a magnetic 1K offer that sells. Well, I'll show you how to build it, how to launch it, and how to sell it. So basically what I'm doing is I'm guiding you step by step to craft a simple high value offer that you can sell for $1,000, right? So when I sell it, I get a quick cash injection and my clients get a quick win, a real tangible win. So I want you to think about it in your business, right? So if you can think about this in your business, what is that one thing that you can help people with? So when you focus like this, your message is clear, your prospects know exactly what they're getting, and you become known for delivering a very specific, valuable result. The next one is simple structure. So of course, in this video, I am going to use my 1K offer as the example. My 1K offer is in this long, drawn out 12-month program. It's a streamlined, done with you experience, just 3 days, laser focused, and designed to get my clients immediate action. I want to get them into action and getting a result. I want to give them a clear process, step by step on how to do it. I want to help them clarify their offer, create the invitation, and get you ready to sell that 1K offer, right? So the structure is so simple. You can literally walk away with your 1K offer ready to go. So when you think about simple structure, that's what I'm thinking about when I created my 1K offer to help other coaches create their 1K offer. So what is it what is your simple process, your step-by-step, your workflow, your blueprint, your map? What is that simple step-by-step streamlined experience that you can take them through over a short period, just 3 days? What is it? The next one is high value. Even though it's simple, my 1K offer is packed with value. You get my personal frameworks, real-time support, and hands-on feedback. I'm not holding back or giving you a watered-down version. I'm giving you the exact strategy that I use to create cash injections in my own business. And I'm right there with you as you build yours. So clients feel the value because they get access to my best thinking and they can immediately use what they learn to create their own wins. So when we talk about high value, you got to make sure that this 1K offer that you create for your, new clients that you're going to be signing up, that it has to be one specific thing that is super valuable. Think about it like this. It's not like these 5-day challenges that a lot of people are running right now, where they're charging, $97 to sign up for 5 days. And then they give you a VIP upsell for $297 to ask questions or whatever the case may be. No. This is not that, because those usually just get you on for $97 just to feed you the basic stuff. They're not designed to give you an actual result, to get you an outcome, which is why the 1K offer is much more valuable. It's not surface level stuff. You're diving deeper with your client, and because you're helping them get a specific result, they're most likely to pay $1,000 for it versus these $97 5-day challenges that really don't give you a tangible result, to leave with, that you can walk away with. 5-day challenges are usually designed to kind of, give you like the what is it, but they're not giving you the actual how to do it. They'll give you the what and why, but they won't give you the how. And that's the reason why you are able to charge $1,000 for a 3-day workshop, for example. The next one is results driven. So my offer is all about results. And the promise is very clear. By the end of our time together, you'll have a 1K offer that you can sell right away. Okay, that's the promise. That is the results. So when you think about yours, what is the result that you can create or help your clients create in a 3-day window? This is not about theory or inspiration. It's about taking action and getting a real outcome by the time they finish working with you in this 1K offer that you put together, right? So with my offer, my clients are going to walk away with a tangible asset, a ready to sell 1K offer that brings in cash injections and deliver real wins for the clients. So my question to you is, what is that result, that quick win that you can create for your clients? And the final one is the easy yes, right? Your offer needs to be so attractive that it's easy to say yes to. And when you have that all laid out for them to see, what they're going to be getting and how you're going to help them create that transformation, and you have it all laid out for them, it's an easy yes for the right person. And the great thing is that you get the cash injection, right, in your business, and your client gets a win, and you both build momentum. Plus, once they experience the power of your process or your roadmap, or, they get a taste of working with you, then stepping into your higher level program becomes the obvious next step. So when you put all of these ingredients together, you get an offer that's not only powerful and profitable, but also deeply aligned with your energy, your business, and your client's success. So here's a 30,000-foot overview. First, you create your 1K offer, which is basically aligned with your core offer. Let me give you an example. So I have my Energetically Sold program, which is a higher ticket program, but there's something in that program that my prospects need to have in order to join my program, and that is a validated offer. So if they don't have a validated offer, then the 1K offer would be a great place for them to start. So the pathway to 1K cash injections starts with your 1K offer. You're helping them solve a clear problem. You're helping them get a quick win. You have a simple format, and you're helping them get a tangible result. The next is sparking the yes. This is where you are going to be creating magnetic messaging, right? So you create that magnetic social media message, the social media post. You create curiosity and connection. You're inviting them to come into your world to work with you. And you're also doing aligned outreach, where you're basically reaching out to the top 5 people who are most likely to say yes to you that you can think off of the top of your head. You send them the invitation, and if they raise their hand and say yes, then you enroll them. And you do that by having warm conversations, being confident in the way that you are sending that invitation. You're creating a limited amount of spots. So for me, it's 10 spots. For you, it could be 5 spots, 20 spots, whatever you want. And then by doing so, you are creating a 1K cash injection for your business. And bonus, when you get them into your world, it's an easy upsell to your high ticket offer for deeper transformation. Now, if you're ready to craft your own 1K offer, one that brings in the cash flow and creates quick wins for your clients and feels completely aligned with your energy, then I'd love to invite you to my 1K offer workshop. This is basically a hands-on, high-touch experience where I'm going to walk you through every step in real time. I'm going to give you live feedback and help you build your offer so that you can start enrolling clients right away. If you're watching this and there's spots left, you'll see the enrollment link down below. So don't wait, because once that group is full, the doors are closed. And if the workshop is already full or closed, don't worry. Check the pinned post or the description for more resources to help you move forward in your business and get those quick wins. Either way, I'm here to help you create the flow, freedom, and impact that you want in your business. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for some more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create.